Thank you for calling customer care. How may I help you today?
Alright, customer care, here we go on you know. So me a try call my cousin, cause if you check up on him, cause you know say he has sugar. And me not there yard right now, cause me come go foreign from what day, you know they way there. And me a try call him phone and he not work.
You said you were trying to call and I'm sorry. What was that?
Me say he not work. He not work.
I'm sorry.
He not work.
I'm sorry.
Me say he not work, he not work.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to put money on the on your plan in order to make those international calls.
Okay, me know then something there, no put in a term and condition where people can't to see. No take cash over the phone, cause me no debit card and them something there.
No, we don't take cash. We can't take cash over the phone.
No take cash. No take cash. A silver loan me have right now, man, because the card when me have, the card when me have, it overdrift. You know what they weird though. A silver loan, no take silver over the phone. Cause you know say that alone me I can't afford.
Play ticker. Lata, play ticker.
Bobby, can you talk to play wheels?
You want to hear a station for porn detected. Porno ringtone, hot chick, amateur girl, choir, sexy.
No.
Hot pussy, anal, dildo, ringtone.
Alexa, stop!
Them crazy. We're gonna chase those crazy ballets out of town.
So was that? May I try to tell us? Can't be serious for one. Can't be serious for one. Susan, seriously.
Use a bathroom here, you know. Jesus Christ, little boy, gonna make me kill me now. Little boy, much time to tell you to top in my bathroom. What? That makes sense, Daddy. Wait, you break it? Daddy, oh, you're man now. You're top ball. You said it, ball boy. Boy, shut up, you know, ball for. I said it, ball boy. Boy, shut up, you know, ball for. I said it, ball boy. Come on. Bye. Come on. Bye. 2017 is approaching and I don't want nobody carrying hard feelings towards me. Prince ex-girlfriend them I talk to. You see in life there's silver and there's gold. Me is a pot of gold. Uno is a bag of food stamp. Not even silver. That's why I couldn't stay. But I see him there for pass through only because in life people have to struggle before them can appreciate greatness. Obviously, I'm the greatness. You see, Prince ex-girlfriend them at party at the banana, the yellow part there, yeah. Nobody don't want it. Nobody don't want it, but they might eat it if they're really, really hungry. So I found upset because when I say I take one man. My girl, I'm telling you this. I never made it, I'm a pussy. Bitch, I'm telling you this, man, a kidnapper. Man, a man-napper either. Him walk behind me with him own free will. I say, Uno bitches out there, Prince was like a pirate and Uno was the crew member, Uno wasn't the treasure. Him find the treasure now, so come on from the phone now. Happy New Year when it comes. And my fault, my pum pum come like a contract. And then what I say, once you enter my pussy, I sign a contract, and me say it done. People, after me care, I go meet my mother. My mother call me one side and say, Ramon, me not like her. So me left the girl. She asked me why. Me look for her answer.
My mama don't like you and she don't like Saturday night.
Yes. So after that, they gonna break up. She just stop call me. So when me find the answer, hear what she said.
Is it too late now to say sorry?
Me say yes. Me say yes. What is so annoying? You don't know shit. Me say right now. Me have a girl when I stop run up my light bill. And last year me get a bill from JPS over 38,000. And me not there my yard. So you know who left who? She come and ask me why. You know me look for her answer.
Your love is electric. Your love is...
Yeah, people. So last year I play one party. I see me come bad like the Red Sea. I left one girl in the middle. So it's a girl. I poop let us poop. You know what you got look on the answer.
We coming out the dance and we mash it up.
Ladies, for 2017, we want to open the game. The pressure no man finna ring. Pressure some blood clots, 2 peas and time blood clot. I'm going with ingredients. Go in the kitchen and put on a pot of peas. When it start bubble, then go in the bathroom and go.
Susan, what you do?
You know see me I talk to my fans them.
What you talk about?
None of your business.
Anyways, yo, I'm hungry.
What you want to eat?
Stew peas.
People must so come and make my man some stew peas. In need of my stew peas.
Yeah, man, just give me them there. How much? $12.99. You take care. Yes, we do. Alright. Try it again, man. It no good. I cut. What? Card. I cut. It no good. Cut what? Yeah, I said try it again. The money probably not even reach over. Just try it again. No. It no good. I cut. No good. I cut. Look at the bill frog. Cut me can and me call immigration. Hey, look here. Shabba no ranks. I got my green cards, you mother bitch. I am an America. Which part are you American? I am an America. Saddam Shitstein. Which part are you American? I am an America. Me just come over here on a visa last week. I'm a more American than you. God, no good. I cut. Don't cut me card. Access plus multi-link. I cut. Yo, don't cut me card. I cut. Yeah, man, look at you, that boy over there, so I'm from this. I've been fraud. Yeah, man, the same man part 83. I cut. The boy like all him friend in bar. I cut. Alright, watch over.
Right there, with that drive, where you make me reverse. You know what I come like? I come like my masters. Me just could pass you. Jesus. Whew. Your father Chinese, no? Because your body chow. Get the chops. No. Because I'm about 3 hours now, you're running off my Jesus, girl, look at that. Yeah. Listen, love for you, it's like diarrhea. I just can't keep it in. Come like national anthem. Okay, let me stand at attention. Jesus. Cook soup down. Because you're bubbling. Jesus, come on, girl. Move on, girl. I think you're ambitious. Watch him. You're like, put them bed up like corner.
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask of you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace out and see you guys tomorrow.